Hello, little learners. Welcome you all. So, let's begin with a wonderful chapter from your storybook that is Mike and the Beanstalk. So, in this classic tale of bravery and curiosity, let's meet up a boy named Mike who ventures up the beanstalk to uncover its secret. So, get ready for the thrilling adventure and let's follow his journey. So, let's begin with the chapter now. So, as you can see, before the chapter, we have an activity for you all. So, let's read the activity and find it out what interesting thing has been told in this. So, read to know about hen. So, as they are saying that there is some kind of information that has been provided about the hens. Let's also color the given picture. As you all can see that there is an amazing picture given of a hen. So you are supposed to color it, right? So let's read about hens. Hens are the most common birds on the earth. As we all know that hens are very common type of birds that are present on the earth. We can easily got to see them, right? They are kept for their eggs all over the world from huge farms to people's yard. So, people usually used to keep hens in their farms or in their yards for their eggs, right? Hence, female chickens often live in groups, and each hen looks after her own brood, family of chicks, sometimes living in little houses and chicken coops. So, as they are telling us that the hens, those who are the female chickens, they often used to live in the groups and they look after on their own brood, right? And sometimes they used to live in the little houses they are that are known as chicken coops. Yes? So that was all about hens, and I hope you will be easily able to color the hen with your creativity skills. So let's move ahead now. So, as you can see that this is the story of long ago time where a boy named Mike lived with his mother in a tumble town in a very little cottage. They were very poor. So, the only thing they had was a cow which gave them milk. And they used to sell that milk in the market and earn their livelihood to get them food and all their necessities. But one day a tragedy happened with them. All the milk of the cow ran dry. Now, that was a big problem for Mike and his mother too. Now, they were not having any kind of source for money and afford they were not affordable to buy even a loaf of bread. Then Mike's mother suggested Mike to sell the cow in the market and get some money. Now let's see what happened ahead. Mike agreed to the mother's plan and he said, "Yes, mom, I will surely go to the market and sell the cow and get some money so that we can have some food and all the things of our necessity." Now, Mike took the cow and went on to the route to the market. Suddenly, on the route, he found an old man. The old man asked Mike that where are you taking this cow? This cow is so healthy and wealthy. Can I buy this? So Mike said, "Yes, sir, I am ready to sell it. Are you interested in buying it? Then, if you are interested, what price are you going to pay me for this cow?" So, old man told, "Yes, I will be buying it in exchange of 5 magical beans." Now, after listening this word, 5 magical beans, Mike being a little boy, he got distracted and he sold that cow in exchange of 5 magical beans. Also, the old man told Mike that by these 5 magical beans, your future is going to be very bright and magical. Now, Mike was very much attracted to these words and he sold his cow in exchange of those 5 beans. As soon as Mike handed over the cow to the old man disappeared suddenly. Now, Mike was very excited and he ran and went to his mother very quickly and told mother all the story about the beans and the cow and gave those beans in his mother's hand. But mother at that point became angry and she made all those 5 beans throw into the garden. Right? Now let's read ahead and find out what happened. Oh, so here we have some questions for you that are based on your reading. So let's see how much you got to know about the chapter till yet. So the first question is, whom did Mike lived with in his village? So we all are aware of this, that Mike was living with some person in his village. And who was that person? Can you answer? Yes, it was his mother. Mike used to live with his mother in the village. Now let's come to the next question. And the question is, what did the old man offer to the young boy in exchange for the cow? Now they're asking that what was that thing that was offered by the old man to Mike in exchange of the cow? So can you answer? Yes, absolutely correct. The answer is the 5 magical beans, right? So this is all. Let's move ahead to the chapter now. So when Mike gave those beans to the mother and mother got angry and mother scolded Mike that there is no such thing like magical beans. It was all such a game and you are made fool. How can you be so foolish? The mother is scolding Mike continuously. And then she threw those 5 beans into the garden. As they were not having anything to eat, Mike and his mother finished their all the work and went to the sleep. When the next morning they both woke up, they found that a very heavy, a very thick beanstalk is being grown over there, so tall and so high. Now, Mike was actually wondering that where did this beanstalk end, because it was too tall, it was too high, right? Now, Mike decided to climb that beanstalk and find it out that where did the beanstalk end. So, Mike jumped on the beanstalk and started climbing it. And he climbed that beanstalk for the all day long. And suddenly, when he reached at the top of there, he found a big door and he knocked that door and a long and tall woman came out of that door. Now let's move ahead to see what happened. Now, Mike asked that lady that I am very hungry and very thirsty. Can you give me something to eat or drink? But the woman replied, go back soon, or either my husband will come and he loves to eat small babies like you. So if he came here, he will eat you up. So better you should leave. But she saw that Mike was really very tired and he was looking very hungry. So she took a pity on Mike and she went to her kitchen and bought some bread and cheese for him. As Mike saw that bread and cheese and he finished that eating, they heard some footsteps of a giant. Giant is a big creature that is shown in the chapter. So they heard the footsteps of the giant. Now, women was very much afraid of that, and Mike was looking here and there that where to hide. Right? After that, let's move ahead and find out what's the story. So first of all, we have some questions again for you. Let's read the questions and find out their answers. Why did Mike and his mother needed money? As we all know that they were very poor, why did they all needed money? Can you answer me? Yes. Very good. The answer is they needed money to buy food. They needed money to buy food. Next is, what did the woman give Mike to eat? The question. So, as we all know and we read earlier, what did the women give Mike to eat? Can you answer me? Absolutely correct. She gave some bread and cheese. Right? So let's move ahead now to the chapter. So now what happened? The women asked Mike to sit and hid inside an oven. But Mike was really afraid to do that. Now what happened? The women picked up Mike and threw him in the oven and closed the door. And the giant appeared over there as soon as the women closed the door of the oven. After that, giant replied, Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread. Now the giant is wanting that Englishman to come with him and he will crack his bones and make a bread of him. No, but the woman says that is not an Englishman. It must be the porridge that is kept on the table that you have smelt. Now giant says, never mind, just bring me my hen. Now the woman brought her husband a hen. Now giant says to the hen, lay little hen. The giant is asking the hen to lay the eggs. Now let's see what happens next. Whatever the thing was happening, Mike was actually taping it from the oven. As soon as the giant asked the hen to lay the eggs, Mike was continuously watching and the hen was laying eggs after eggs one another and laying eggs. After that, when the giant was sleeping and snoring, then the Mike came out of the oven and he was trying to steal that hen from the giant. But as soon as he picked up the hen made a loud cook sound and woke up the giant. Now giant found that the boy is stealing the hen. Giant called the boy, Stop, you thief! I am not going to give you my hen. But Mike was running fast just like the wind and he was not ready to give the hen back to the giant. Now, after that, Giant was continuously trying to chase Mike, but Mike shouted loudly and called his mother. Now, let's move ahead and see what happened. So, next, what happened? Mike called out his mother and asked her to bring an X very quickly. And as soon as mother handed over the X to Mike, Mike cutted the beanstalk and the giant fell down of the beanstalk after getting it cut and he fell on the ground and died. Right after that, Mike told his mother, Look, mother, what I have got for you. I have got a hen for you that lays golden eggs. After that, Mike's mother smiled very lovingly and hugged him. And Mike and his mother started to live happily ever after. They were never poor again, and they also thanked God for sending that old man to their life who gave them the 5 magical beans for their survival. Right? After that, now again we have some questions for you. So let's see what type of eggs were laid by the hen. As we all know, the hen laid some special kind of eggs. What was that? Absolutely correct. It was actually the golden eggs, right? After that, next is how did Mike chop down the beanstalk? Now, we all know that Mike chopped that beanstalk down. Now, what was the object with which he cutted the beanstalk? Can you answer me? Absolutely correct. It was with the help of an X. So, this was the chapter. So, this was the story. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, with the giant being defeated, Mike returned home, becoming a wiser and a more confident person. So, his story taught us to be brave and more resourceful. Right. So, if you all love the playful stories or love the stories with thrilled adventures, do subscribe our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.